All right, GM everyone. This is Abdul of Blockchain. Thank you for the birthday wishes and all that. I really appreciate those that send gifts and all that. So today we are going to do a little quick uh, diving into what cryptocurrency is. And today I will be telling you about some things in crypto, and they are the likes of investment in cryptocurrency, risks in cryptocurrency, how to do a research, cryptocurrency terminologies, what is bull market and bear market, then mining and airdrops. And we will do a little dive into technical analysis. So we'll start by investment in cryptocurrency. We all have been hearing about investment in cryptocurrency. And what is this thing about? Investment in cryptocurrency is just like you buying a coin. When you buy a coin, you keep it for some time, and when the coin appreciates, you now sell it in the future. So how can you do this, and what is the right approach in this investment in cryptocurrency? We all have been hearing the hype in the market that this coin gives somebody so percent in profit. This person $10 turned to $1,000 and all that, and we all have been hearing about it. So now I will be telling you a little bit about what investment is. We are investing in this cryptocurrency assets. They are called assets. These things are assets. And what is an asset? When you will come by the definition of an asset, what an asset is something that you purposely own, and in the future it appreciates in value and you'll be able to sell it to make profit. So these cryptocurrency tokens that we're investing in, they are an asset to us. So in the future, they will appreciate anytime, and we're aiming to make profit from it. So now, when you ask yourself, how do you invest in crypto? Investment in cryptocurrency starts from you learning about cryptocurrency, because you cannot actually invest in what you don't know, or you cannot just go into something without having the prior knowledge. So now let me tell you some little things you need to know before you invest in crypto. When it comes to investment in cryptocurrency, you know about the cryptocurrency risk. Yes, which is why I told you that I'll talk about risks. The risks are, you should not invest what you cannot afford to lose. That is number one. You have to eat before you invest. That is very sure. You don't put your last card into crypto and you end up being, no matter how promising the project is, you don't invest your last cash. You don't borrow, and you know there are a lot of risk that some projects mission might change along the way, or they may be having issue up there, because this cryptocurrency we are into, the space we are into, this is borderless. That is, it's around the world. Every country or most countries are involved in it. So when it comes to a particular crypto tokens coming to your own country, and there are a lot of regulations and all that, so you will see that the project will actually have problem, which may lead the project to decline, or it will just end and crash. We all heard of Luno, how it crashed, Luna crash, Luno Classic, LUNC, that is the ticker name. So when it comes to investment, you have to know what you are involving yourself into and all that. So I will not go much like that, but I will actually give you insight on how to get the approach. So now let's talk about the main risk about in cryptocurrency. Some risks that are really there is some some technical issues and all that, like the like of project being like a project you are investing in having issue, or within the team ecosystem having issue. Just like what I said, that if a project is going across a border or to a particular country and there are regulations and all that, and you have already invested your money in it, you will not see that coming in the first place, but whenever this comes, you just take it as it's part of risk. So another thing in the risk are, uh, this risk I'm telling you is risks generally in cryptocurrency. The risk of attacks like hacking of wallets and all that. There are lots of hackers that you need to actually protect your own wallet very well, even while doing other thing. You should know that your wallet, your investment wallet, you should not use it for any kind of, don't use it on any site. Let me just say that. Like you heard of an airdrop, that an airdrop is going to, so you are now using your main wallet to interact with that website. It's very, very risky. Please don't do that. Any wallet you're having your investment in, don't connect it to any site. Make sure you don't connect it to any site. And if you are having issue of, or you are doubting yourself that maybe you have connected this your wallet somewhere before, just try and move your coin to a new wallet. That's how you have to do. Always make sure your wallet is safe, that nothing is actually in your conspiracy or this thing. So another risk is, some of us don't even know how to approach this crypto ecosystem, crypto industry. You actually believe someone like me doing video, yeah, you know me and all that. So now I now tell you about a project. You're now telling me, you don't even bother to ask yourself, question yourself what you need to do. So I now tell you a coin to buy, you only put, like, you are only believing in me, trusting me, and I am not the owner of the project. Did you see how that used to happen? Then at the end, when this thing a kind of rock pull or a crash happens, you blame someone who only invests his money to make profit just like you. So these are the part of it. So some risk is, some of us like to expose our seed phrase, like you know your friend and all that. No, don't expose your seed phrase to anybody, because your seed phrase is your key. No keys, no, you don't have your, you won't have your crypto. So whenever you are keeping your seed phrase safe, please keep it. Don't let anybody get access to it. Then, okay, means of ways of saving seed phrase. Some people used to put it in their emails and all that. One day you may know your email password and everything, and one day your email will decide not to work for you on a particular device, and at the end you try to do some settings and forever you have lost it. So please always take caution of that. Then let me just talk about some crypto terminologies before I talk about how to do a research. So some cryptocurrency terminologies, like I said GM. GM is good money. We say DYOR, it means do your own research. NFA, not financial advice. Um, FOMO, fear of missing out, uncertainty and all that. So you all know, go and check about cryptocurrency terminologies. There are languages that are used in this industry on its own, so that when you know it, you know what they actually means. It's not that until I speak English. When I say bearish, you should know what it means. When I say bullish, you should know what it means. Wagimi, it is, you should know what all these things mean. Wagimi is WAGMI. Wagimi, we are all gonna make it, and inshallah we are going to make it here. So let me now talk about ways to make money in cryptocurrency generally. In cryptocurrency, there are many ways to make money. You can start from airdrops, you can start from mining and airdrops. Let me put it together. You can start from investments, which I actually started with. You can start from trading being a futures trader or a spot trader. You buy with a mean time, you sell. While futures trading is just you speculating, using the, checking the chart and all that, know how to do some analysis and all that. So let me now go straight to what is bull market and bear market, and this is where I want you to be focused and pay attention very well. There is a crypto in this cryptocurrency industry. There is a crypto market. In this crypto market, we have two seasons. These seasons are the bull market and the bear market. What happens in the bear market? What happened in the bull market? I'm going to tell you. Just listen. In the bear market, this is a period of 18 months to 2 years. I always tell these people to tell you this in other video guides. So this bear market is a period of 18 months to 2 years, and it is particularly, or let me just say simply, it is a period where the cryptocurrency industry, the crypto market is down. Nobody is talking about crypto and all that. You can see that it is this 2024, last year 2024, that people began to talk about the news, internet began to know about the cryptocurrency and all that. What happened in 2022? Nobody was talking about. What happens in 2023? nobody was talking about. But now 2024 and 2025, you see a lot of people, even by the roadside, you see people, they'll just call a crypto name. You'll be surprised, say, ha, so they even know this. How? It is because of the hype in the market. So the bear market is a period where the market is completely down. Nobody is talking about the cryptocurrency because the market is down. It looks boring that time. So after this period, there comes what we call Bitcoin halving. And Bitcoin halving is just the period where those who are having the opportunity to mine Bitcoin currently, their mining rate will now be slashed into two. That is, the mining rate will be like, if you are mining 2 Bitcoin per year before, then the mining rate will be divided into two. That is Bitcoin halving. That is halving of that coin. You see that the mining rate, if they divided two, if you are mining two, they can mine 2 Bitcoin per year. So when they divide it into two, we only have one. That is how it is, right? So when this happens, after the Bitcoin halving, about 4 to 6 months later, there comes the bull market, and which is what we are in now. You see a lot of people talking about crypto now. They will shout, hey, so coin pump from this price to this price. So this bull market is the main market where the hype, you see a lot of people making money. Your $10 can become $1 million in a project. A lot of things will really happen this year, and we have seen the significant impact since last year, which was 2024. I've been talking about this since 2021. I talk to a lot of people about it. Try and have an investment in crypto. Those who I personally know, I would like try to tell them the potentials and all that. So this bull market now, what happens in the bull market? This is the system where the time or the period where the market pumps very well. Okay, now let's just relate this to our normal life activities or normal day. Okay, for instance, you see that even in our normal day and this thing, we have the drying season and the rainy season. So what happens in the drying season? In the drying season, you see a lot of grasses are dead. They are burnt to ashes and everything. But in the rainy season, when the rain begins to fall, you see the seeds that were actually burnt down that time will begin to grow back. They will germinate, and you see the plants once it rains, the thing will comes. You can see that when it comes to raining, God to distribute rain to everybody from every angle. If rain is falling here, you can call somebody from far, they will tell you the rain is still falling, and it is almost the same thing. The rain will reach everybody. So if you have an investment in crypto right now, the bull market will actually eat your portfolio, and you see a lot of your coins will actually pump. Don't worry about that. Your coins are going to pump. So now let me now talk about mining and airdrops. This mining and airdrops is a way of securing these digital currencies. Like, you wish to invest in crypto but you don't have money, you can start from mining. When you mine these coins and you are given some of these coins, you just look at the potentials in it and you decide to leave it and hold it for a long time. We don't have time again. This is January 2025, and by the end of the year, you see what your portfolio will grow to. You see what your $1 will become by the end of the year if you are really investing in right coins. So try. If you don't have money to invest in crypto right now, you can start from mining and airdrop. Then don't be tired. You are tired saying the airdrop keep failing you. Why those who actually invested their hard-earned money in some cryptos are very down, very down. Those who invest all right, now we continue with what technical analysis is. Some of us have been hearing about technical analysis, technical analysis, technical analysis. And what is actually technical analysis? Technical analysis is the studying of charts. Like, let me take you straight to your trading view. The apps that you will use for your analysis is like the analysis. We have trading view. I make use of trading view. When it comes to analysis, I make use of CoinGecko, and I'll show you how to use all of them again. Let's see. This is trading view. You can get it on your Google Play Store. Just go straight to your Google Play Store. So once you download it, you just have to register with your email and just log in. You don't need to do anything. Just register with your email. Once you log into, you see the apps like this, watch list and all that. So what we are interested in is all about crypto. There are forex, futures and stocks if you want to analyze them. So like you can see the BTC and all that. So what are the features in this thing? You see the watch list, that is tokens that you wish to be looking out to analyze. Now you have charts. This is, you see most of these things in your wallet and all. You see these things in your trade, your Bybit, your KuCoin exchanges and all that. Then we have the explore. Like if you wish to learn again, what people are talking about cryptocurrency and other stocks in the market, ideas, whatever the light people are sharing. Look at the analysis people are doing on these cryptocurrency tokens. So we have the menu for setting. You can decide to do some settings, change the background to dark and all that. So let's go back to this now. Okay, investment in cryptocurrency. Let's say the investment in cryptocurrency itself, you'll be told to buy a coin. When you are told to buy a coin, what is the next thing you have to do? You have to go and do research. That is the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental analysis. Those are the three types of analysis. And let me explain it. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is simply the studying of charts like this one. You study charts, you draw their support zones, their resistance, so the demand and supply zones, you identify them. So now, the fundamental analysis is the background information about a particular project. And where can you find these information? Is from the main channels of a particular project, like their Twitter account, their Discord, their main Telegram, and other social media handles they have. So what are the background? This fundamental analysis, like when you heard that social person is trying to invest so amounts of money in social cryptocurrency, and you know that if that money come into that token, that market of that token, you know that this money is going to pump the price, and you now heard of it. You now say, okay, let me invest a little bit and all that. So with that information is now a fundamental analysis, because you get the information from the background, from the fundament, like the main channel, the main roots of this project. So these are the, so we now have sentimental analysis. What is sentimental analysis? This one is not, it's not that common, but it's just based, like some people use it like in form of speculation. Like sentimental analysis is just passing information in form of pictures. Like when you were doing, you remember the airdrops, docs airdrop, there was a time that they posted a picture. It contains the listing price, it contains some exchange logo and all that. So when you see that kind of, okay, the Pulse also did that recently. Pulse, they posted something in their channel where you can actually view, you can actually see their listing price. You see some exchange logos, and those projects they also have partnership with. You see Bloom logo on that picture. You see they will just design it in form of NFT and all that. So those are the sentimental analysis. This information, if you know how to study it, once you look at it, you'll be able to get it very well. And once you see it, that is all. So now, when you are told to buy a coin, let's take for instance, let me do a little analysis for you. Like the last thing I'm going to tell you now is how to do a research. Now, what is this? How to do a research? Like when you are told to buy cryptocurrencies token. Well, let's say for instance, let me call this coin. Which coin should you even analyze? Which coin should you analyze? Let me just think of a coin. Let's say for instance, you are told to buy in any coin, Let me just think about a coin. Which one will be the best? Let me talk about Zen. Zen crypto. Zen crypto. All you need to do, if you are told to buy a coin, like you are just shilled to buy a coin, all you need to do is get this app, go to your Google Play Store, download CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Any of the two, they are research tools. These are the research tools you need to analyze token before you even going on investing in them. So whenever you are told to buy a coin, this is what your first thing is, either go to your CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. These two, they are tools for researching, and you need them very, very well. All you need to do, let's for this tutorial guide, let me use CoinGecko. Once you just have to register and sign up with your email and all that. So once you register, this is the interface of the app. This is how it actually looks like. You see the cryptocurrency token, Bitcoin always the first, and you see all these cryptocurrency. You see their price and all that. Look at their price in the center. This is their market cap and all that. So what is a market cap? You talk about if a social airdrop list as social market cap with what is market cap? What market cap is simply the total amount that has been invested on that particular cryptocurrency token. Like it's the whole money that has been invested on that cryptocurrency token. You can see Bitcoin market cap is 1.9 trillion as of the time of doing this video. Ethereum is 438 billion. We have USDT 137 billion currently. XRP 136 billion. BNB 104 billion. Solana has 103 billion. Dogecoin has 65 billion market cap, and other you see a lot of cryptocurrency. So when you are told to buy a coin, simply come to your CoinGecko and click on the search button here. Let's take for instance, I talk about Zen Crypto. I say Zen Crypto, Zen. You can see a lot of ticker names with it, but I was actually referring to Zen Crypto. You can see it has a lot of zero. Then you just click on it. Once you click on it, you check the overview. You look at it, you just scroll down. The first thing you have to check is the total supply of a coin and the circulating supply of a coin. Now, when you look at the total, what is a total supply? Total supply is the token that the maximum number of the coin that is created. The maximum number of the coin that is created. We now have the circulating supply. At times, when a token is created, some are used for vesting. They will lock it. They will not release it instantly to the market. So when this happens, like the total supply is now differ from the circulating supply. It means that the total token that is created, not all is already in circulation, and as time goes on, they'll be releasing it into circulation. This is what we are seeing with some other tokens like Solana and all that. They have some portions in the locked, and they are now in batches being released into the market. You see it. So when you check this thing, you check the total supply and this circulate. You can see that this token, as it was created, it is the whole thing that is still on the total supply, and currently it has a market cap of 25 million. If you are investing $5, $10 in a project, don't invest. When a token has a very high market cap, please don't invest in it, because before your actually you see someone will tell you that they invested $5 and that $5 turned to $10. That is 1x. That is 1x. Okay. What makes you double your investment capital double in crypto is the market cap. Let's say for instance this is 25 million market cap. If you are investing $5 in this project, before your $5 can turn to $10, that is when this market cap is times 2. And for it to be times 2 now, from 25 it has to reach 50 million. So that is how it is. When you see a tokens with billion market cap, don't invest in it. This is the noise that is in the community now. People will tell you, the big boys will tell you, you coming with $5 and they are investing $1,000, they will still tell you to invest in a coin that has billion market. You will not make a reasonable profit. You will not make a reasonable profit in a coin that has billion market caps. So always look into coins that have hundreds of thousand market caps and at least millions of market cap. So let's move on. Like you can see the contract address, that is the blockchain this tokens is listed on. It is listed on 3 blockchains right here. Then after you have checked this, just go to the information. You see the information about this coin. This is all the historical data. Now it will tell you all-time high. This is the highest price this coin has gone to and the date it went there. The lowest price this coin has went to and the price it actually went to and the date. You can see it from its low high time or all-time low. Now we have it is already moving back as 145%, and if you look at the all-time high, it is now 100% down. So let's take for instance, okay, let me continue. We have the market section here. When you come to the market section, it means that exchanges that this token is listed on. And how are you going to know? You just check it. You see it is listed on gate.io, MEX, BitGet, LBank, HTX, Uniswap, KuCoin, MEX again, DeFi, and all that. You just look at the list of exchanges. Now just look at these colors that are here. The ones the way it is, how you can see the one that is pink, that there's a very low trading volume. It is how it has a trading volume that the exchange will be picked. Let's say for instance, you can see that gate.io has a trading volume of $627,000 today. MEX has 180. They are good. It means that the trading is actually taking place very well in those exchanges. You can pick between Gate, MEX, and Lbank. And BitGet. Lbank also tried because they have $247,000 today, and HTX and all that. So, but if you are investing in coins, look for exchanges that are very user friendly, that will not confuse you, and you should know about those exchanges out there. There are taxes like this, there are gas fees are when coming to sending coins or sending coins out from those exchanges. Now portfolio, let's take for instance you bought this coin. Just click on add coin to portfolio and click on my portfolio. Then you just put the amount of the coin you buy and everything. So it is from here you can be tracking your transaction, like how much your coin worth. You don't need to be going to that exchange that you bought it. You can keep all, like you buy your coins that you buy on MEX, BitGet, Bybit, Binance, and KuCoin. So these five exchanges, if you are holding a coin in them, you can add them to a particular, you can add them all in this coin market cap, and all this information will be on your hand. You don't need to be going to Binance to check how your portfolio is doing. You don't need to go to your Bybit. You just come straight here. You just check. This one is on social exchange. This one is on social exchange. This is how it works. This is how much I invested. This is how it is right now. So these are the things you need to. I think uh, I should stop here. Thank you for watching this video.